Good morning, guys! It's 11 o'clock and we're out for breakfast or lunch. We'll see. Parang lunch na naman to. I did not cook today. So, yeah. Happy Sunday! Hindi umuulan, pero hindi rin maaraw. The weather is just perfect. Say hi, Zeb!
Hi, Zeb. Hi.
Are you marching? How about Zach? Say hi! Here. Uy! Good morning! Starting to put the Christmas decor. Tsura ni Zach. Hi, Zach! Hi, Zach! Hi, Kuya! Drive, Zach! Ako nahihilo eh. Zach! You okay? Are you okay? We're here sa playground. And I'm having my yema. In fairness sa gawa ko this time, ang sarap. Walang halong elchos. Charot. Hindi ko na-mention kahapon sa vlog. Nagyan ko siya ng mani. Chewy. Crunchy. Top. I love it. Zeb, come here. You're so cute. Let's go. Here, this side. Come on. Use your umbrella.
What?
It's not in there.
We're home and may nakatulog na sa stroller. It's nap time. It's almost 1:15. Hi guys! Say hi!
Hi!
Bigla ang date namin ni Zeb today. Wait lang. Ayun, so bigla ang date kami ni Zeb. We're going to a indoor playground sa may Clarkie. Wala lang. Ayaw naman mag-nap. So, yeah. Si Daddy masama pang paharamdam eh. Kaya, iwan sila ni Zach. If I can only bring them both. But, yeah. It's a mommy and Zeb day. We're gonna have date with mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you excited? It's 3:30 pa lang. And yung last, magsasarado 6:30 yung indoor playground. And last entry is 5:30. So, we can definitely make it. So, yeah, magbabas lang kami. Tas MRT. Diba? Effort to. Good luck to me. By the way, I'm wearing yung foundation ko is yung Essence All About Matte. And bininyagan ko na yung aking Real Techniques na sponge. And I love it. Parang beauty blender nga lang din. And half of the price. So, yeah. This is MRT station. Waiting for our train. Nakatulog sa bus. Sa bus.
Passengers traveling with young children.
We found it, guys. Dito yun. Sacra Center. Let's go. Zeb, come here. We're here na. Aquarius Cove. Ang weird niya kasi entrance na sa ng restaurant. Water? We only have Milo. Okay, we're here. Yay! Say hi to Daddy. You wave. Say hi. Uh-oh, he's gonna turn. Look, he's gonna turn. Okay. Sayang, wala si Zach. Maliit lang tong place, pero okay kasi walang tao halos. Konti lang. So, hindi crowded. I was expecting na kasi Sunday, maraming tao. Pero, since tagutong venue. Grabe, nasa loob ng restaurant yung entrance. Hala ko tuloy, naliligaw na kami. Okay. What's over there? There, on that side. Oo. Right, 1, 2, 3. Meron sila dito for venue ng birthday or parang for teacher ba. And that's it. Maliit lang siya. So, agad si Zep. Tapos agad ni Zep yung ano eh. Ayun, enough na. You want to sit down? Tapos agad ni Zep, lahat na-try niya kaagad in like 10 minutes. Okay, drive the ship. Beep, 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 beep. 1, 2, 3. Yay! No! Oh no! Nakakahilo. Oo. Pero ang sarap in fairness. Uh-oh. Say hi.
Hi.
Down. Literal guys, tatlo lang bata. Tatlo lang sila nandito. Siyempre, plus yung parents. Ay, okay to. Hindi maano. Parang feeling ko pauwi na yung ano eh. Kasi magkaibigan yung parents ng dalawang bata. So, parang paalis na sila. Si Zeb na lang may iwan. Jump! Wow! You're so brave! One more time. Can I see? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Owie! Is it owie?
Yeah.
Owie? Oh, don't do it again. So, yeah. Naboboard na rin ako kasi paulit-ulit na rin. Ang liit lang nito. Buti na lang $10 lang. Kasi kung more than 10, parang mag-ano ako. Mag-huramentado. Chok! We're here sa Clarkie, the Gimikan place. And I'm planning to ride a boat sana with Zeb. Check ko muna kung magkano. Parang bet kung pasakayin si Zeb sa boat. May mga station din yan. Ha? Playground? Okay. Sabi ko sa kanya, para umalis kami doon, sabi ko, tara, punta tayo sa kabilang playground. Wala na akong ibang alam. Kaya kanina patubok ang bibig. Playground. Ayaw niya doon sumakay sa bangko. Kasi sabi niya, playground. Good luck sa akin. Seb, you wanna go? So, we're in the middle of a Gimikan area. Pero syempre, hindi pa ganun kabuhay kasi maano pa, liwanag pa. Pero this is a, yeah. You wanna play? Pero wala kami extra swords. Okay, scratch the plan to ride a boat because it's so expensive. $25 for me, tas 15 ata si Zep. So, saka 40-minute ride. So, never mind. Hey! Bigat. Pagod na siya maglakad. Ay, naku, naghahanap pa rin siya ng playground. Good luck. Careful. Ganyan nyo to guys. Meron ganyan-ganyan. Hindi kami makapag-picture ni Zeb. Uh-oh. Daddy?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Come on, let's go. We're here sa Plaza Sing and ito medyo ano siya ngayon, hype. Pero walang tao here. Snow cone lang siya talaga. I got one. Wow! Is it yummy? Is it good? Do you have? Okay, come on, let's sit down first. Yay! Yummy. I got the cotton candy flavor ng snow cone. Tapos, yung Biscoff, yung Lotus na biscuit na topping, tsaka choco sunflower. I personally feel it's overpriced. It's $8.90. Oh my gosh. Sabi ko pa naman magta-taxi na kami pa uwi, pero parang nanghinayang ako bigla. So, magbabas na lang kami. Depende kung punuan na yung bus ngayong oras na to. Ano na yun? 7 plus. So, Dapat nag-Starbucks na lang ako, Diyos. Pero okay lang for Zeb. Minsan lang. Yummy? Hey guys! Say hi, Zeb! Say hi!
Oh.
Anyways, nakababa lang namin ng bus. We're walking na.
Hi.
Hi! Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Yay! Sila daddy, sabi nga katapos lang daw nila kumain eh. Doon sila kumain sa Pinoy na resto. So, meron pa siyang natirang sinigang. So, yan ang ulamin namin ni Zeb. Kasi, hindi kami kumain. Kasi nga nag-snow cone. Kahit late na kami. Nung dumating pala kami kanina doon, mga bago mag 4:45, kumain muna kami sa Burger King kasi nagugutom na ako. Tapos bago kami nagpunta sa playground, kaya medyo busog pa kanina. So, yeah. See you at home! Hi guys! Nakauwi na kami ni Zeb. Tapos, labas ulit para mag-grocery naman. Habang naghintay pa ako ng sinaing. Nagsaing pa muna kasi ako dahil ulam lang yung dala ni Daddy. So, yeah. Grocery na tayo. Ba't maaga pa? At sana may maabutan pa akong salmon. This finger line and it's so expensive. Ilang piraso? 5 pieces. May nature sa loob. Ang lasa niyan? Sa nakakalas, dismet ninyo. Ano sa inyo? Okay guys, it's time to call it a night. It's almost 10 o'clock. Halos kakatapos lang namin kumain ni Zeb. Marami siyang nakain mo, nagutom siya. Anyways, yan. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog after grocery. No, tomorrow na lang. But yeah, today was a very fun day. Super na-enjoy ko. And I can't wait na kapag si Zach ganun edad na rin na, alam mo yun, kaya na madali na siyang dalhin mag-commute. Grabe talagang nag-MRT, nag-bus, lahat-lahat. And he was behaved the whole time. Tapos, sobrang selan niya lang, sobrang dalang niya lang nagpakarga. Yung talagang feeling ko pagod na din talaga siya maglakad. Kasi naman, puro kami lakad talaga kanina. So, yun. It was a happy day. Medyo fail lang yung playground kasi ang liit. Para mas marami pang malaking playground na sana napuntahan namin. Pero okay lang. Buti $10 lang talaga. Kundi, in fairness, sa makeup ko kanina pa tong 3:00 sa mukha ko. And, although it feels oily and sticky, pero it doesn't look like it, no? Pero pag hinawakan mo, yuck. Anyway, so yun. Good night, guys. Thanks for watching. Monday na naman. Bakit ang bilis ng oras? Before you know it, it's 2017. Anyways, I'm having my iced Milo. Iced lemon tea. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye!